Paryushan Parva is the most important Jain festival observed for spiritual rejuvenation and self-discipline. It is celebrated for 10 days. This festival is a period of reflection, fasting, meditation, and seeking forgiveness, leading to purification of the soul. Each day of the 10-day Paryushan Parva has its own significance. First day, Supreme Forgiveness. The day is dedicated to practicing forgiveness towards everyone. Jains reflect on how they can forgive others and seek forgiveness from those they have wronged. Second day, Supreme Humility, focuses on cultivating humility. Jains meditate on reducing pride and practicing modesty, emphasizing that true strength lies in being humble. Third day, Straightforwardness. The day is about promoting honesty and simplicity. Jains work on removing deceit from their lives, striving for transparency in thoughts, words, and actions. Fourth day, Contentment. Contentment is the theme of the fourth day, focusing on inner and outer purity. Jains reflect on being satisfied with what they have and purifying their souls. Fifth day, Truthfulness. This day emphasizes truthfulness. Jains commit to being truthful, avoiding lies, exaggeration, and false speech, while practicing truthful communication in a kind manner. Sixth day, Self-restraint. Jains focus on controlling their senses and desires. Self-discipline is practiced to achieve spiritual progress and prevent harm to others. Seventh day, Austerity. The day is centered around austerity, where Jains practice fasting and other forms of self-restraint to purify their soul and reduce attachment to material things. Eighth day, Renunciation. Renunciation is practiced on this day, where Jains reflect on giving up attachments to possessions, comforts, and desires. This helps in spiritual liberation. Ninth day, Non-attachment. Jains focus on detaching themselves from material things and emotional attachments, realizing that true happiness comes from within and not from possessions. 10th day, Celibacy Chastity. On the final day, the focus is on celibacy and purity of thought. This signifies the importance of controlling physical and mental desires to attain spiritual growth. At the end of Paryushan, Jains celebrate Samvatsari, the day of forgiveness, where they seek forgiveness from everyone, known as Michhami Dukkadam, meaning, may all the evil that has been done be forgiven. These 10 days are a reminder to cleanse the soul through self-discipline, non-violence, and spiritual practices. Uttam Kshama from Sushil Raul and family.